Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a DIY about this vase, big vase that I had for many years. It's a beautiful shape, but the color is not the right. And these two lamps that I was talking about in my last previous video that I'm going to transform into trash to treasure. And please, if you like this kind of videos, please comment below and let me know what other kind of videos would you like me to do. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the DIY. All that I just got to recreate this look is just acrylic paint and these neutral colors like white, dark gray, beige, light brown, and medium brown. And also I got some Rust-Oleum white or beige, light beige spray paint, and this chalk Rust-Oleum H glaze to give the final look of an antique finish. And a couple of brushes. Okay, this is the first process that I did, which is these two lamp bases. They're gonna be very easy. I'm going to spray them in black matte with this Rust-Oleum matte finish, and I'm just gonna give them a very good coverage, and that's simple. So yeah, this is the final result of how it looks, the two lamps with a new lampshades and the black matte color. I think it looks very modern, sleek, static, and it can blend in any style of home, and also any place. Like in this case, I put an example of I put it in top of my um, formal dining credenza, but where I'm going to place it are gonna be in my bedroom in my home in Mexico. Okay, you guys, I just start applying the white spray paint all over this base to cover very well the brown color, and just let it dry the first coat. Later, I start mixing the dark gray with the white acrylic color to make a lighter color, and also the beige with the light brown. So I just start playing around with the brush, and there's no rules here, so it's all about making some texture and dimension until you like the final look. So just play with it. I end up applying the dark gray and the dark brown with a damp sponge, because I really like how the texture was coming on. So it's just about trying new things. I was not having any rules or technique in particular. I was just playing around. I was just trying to do some to recreate some rustic look and some texture. So it was a very
nice experience because it was almost therapeutic. I really spent a lot of time doing this. It was a little bit, it took me more time than I was expecting, but it was a really nice experience. Though although that it was very very hot outside that day, but I really had a good time. Okay, I had to wait for the day after to go to Home Depot and get this dry decks spackling, because so the base has in the center some kind of circle engraves that I didn't like, that are like 90s style. So I noticed that when I was painting, the circles, what that you couldn't tell, so they were coming on. They were like more noticeable than before, than the original color. So I had to go to Home Depot and get this spreckling thing to cover it. And at the same time, I think that it was a good idea for make some texture to the base, so it will look more rustic. So this is what I start applying all around the center. And also I had to wait for 2 coats of this dry mix to cover the whole thing. Okay, so at the end, after I wait for the dry paste to dry, it came up to a white finish. So I just applied to a light coat of this white spray paint, and to give it a final touch, a final look, I spray paint a little bit of the Rust-Oleum of the glaze, but I noticed that it was very dark chocolate, and I didn't like it. So instead of doing that, I end up applying just pure soil to all over the base to give it this rustic look, and I really like it. I was very impressed the way it is coming out, and the final result. It was really nice. I really like it. So yeah, this is the final look. Very RH and Pottery Barn inspo. Very rustic, very at the same time modern, sleek. This is one way to style it with this long stem kind of pampas grasses from CB2 that I really like. And it's like it gives a very bohemian look and very vacay vibe. Very soothing, very earthy. So this is another way to style it with some olive branches, and this is a very soothing, earthy corner moment that I really like. What do you guys think? Which one? Please comment below and tell me which look do you like better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please comment if you like this kind of video. Give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to continue me doing this kind of styles and DIYs, or some transformation areas like stream makeovers, or some dining room makeover, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, and check me out on Instagram. See you on the next one. Bye.